Okay guys, today I am going to be showing you how to make a perfectly awesome gun out of one of these. I'm not here to waste your time, so let's get to it. Okay, first step is you're gonna open it and you're going to pour out all of the water because you don't want any water in there. Okay guys, now since you got all the water out, what you're gonna do, you're gonna squeeze it just a tiny bit. Then you're gonna put on the cap all the way down. Make sure that there's no little parts that can leak air. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna twist the water bottle until it looks basically just like that. And you're gonna twist it until it's really tight. Don't let go and don't let it untwist. What you're gonna do is you're gonna tape your cap. You're gonna take your thumb and you're gonna kind of twist it this way. So you're gonna unloosen it slightly with your thumb. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go like that. Look at that. Look at that right there. That is smoke. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I need to get to drinking this water. And watch another. Bye.